Hello everyone and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can use your Twitch account and basically how to Twitch in short. How to communicate, how to chat and all that stuff. So as you can see, we've got a few recommended streamers over here, and most of them, Timmy's my favorite streamer. So we're just going to hop over to Timmy and give him a follow, because why not? And once I give him a follow, as you can see, it's only followers chat. Now I can talk. You the best. But I won't be able to talk because there is a limit. I gotta be a follower for at least 10 minutes. And since I just followed, I won't be able to say anything. So yeah, let's just stop that. And if you want a clip, you want to press on this button right here. And that's gonna help you create a clip. At the same time, you can always select the quality of the stream and all of that stuff. And yeah, the volume is obviously there. Let me show you a bit more other stuff as well. So most of the chats are going to be followers only, but some chats will be subscribers only, and in those subscribers chat you will have to subscribe, and in order to subscribe you need to spend money. Now if you don't have money, you just gotta wait for them to turn into followers chat. At the same time, if you go to browse over here, you can select which game is your favorite and select the streamer from that game. For example, what other games do I like? You know what? I like Genshin Impact. Where's Genshin Impact? I do not see. Oh yeah, right here. So over here, as you can see, there's streamers of Genshin Impact. Now the streamers that I normally watch for Genshin Impact is not online, so we'll just head over to Valky, and yeah. So that's about it. There's nothing much to Twitch really, other than these stuffs. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and hit that subscribe button if you want, and you don't want to miss out on the future uploads. So hit that notification bell till I send you next. So make sure you follow, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Till next time, peace.